Hi there, welcome back to another mini episode of MacGyver's Workshop. It's April 1st, 2018, and no, I'm not going to do any kind of April Fool's joke, but tomorrow we have our final inspection. We're as ready as we're going to be for it. I have some concerns because we haven't been able to get any dirt brought out here to fill in around the house and grade out everything and all that, but that's it's beyond our control because it's been raining so much. The dirt company can't even load it in their trucks and bring it because it's been too wet. So hopefully he'll give us a pass, but let's take a walk around and see what all we've got here. Floors, we got the floors all nice and pretty and spiffy. And I'll start at the back here. This is the third bedroom. And it's all done and clean. Everything's all nice and spiffy. And this is the guest bathroom.
Except for the sticker on the tub.
Except for the sticker on the tub, yeah. That's going to be, we're going to play heck getting that thing off of there. So that's all done and done. I'm just going to go ahead and close these, shut these lights off as we work our way back. And then, of course, all the pocket doors. All the pocket doors are all done. Second bedroom. This is our chair and all. It's been sitting in here since we drive the house in because we don't have a place to put it. And this is all done. This is our second bedroom. This will be kind of my music room where my music equipment and Tammy's, crafts and hobby stuff and what have you will be in here. And then the utility room, of course we've still got lots of crap sitting around, but that's okay. Won't have any bearing on the inspection. Everything's clean and tidy and ready to rock and roll.
We finally got rid of all that drywall dust.
Oh God, yeah. Yep. And then of course, this is the main living area here, and we have our home theater, which is going to be here, and we designed it and set it up so you can have up to like an 80-inch TV or whatever. I'm hoping to get a 75-inch go in there, and 80s are still a little expensive, but we got our 7.1 system here where you got 2, 4, 6, and 7 is your center channel right here, and then the 0.1 is your subwoofer. And actually we could do 7.2, but there's no need for 2 subwoofers, and we got one is more than enough. And for just watching movies and things like that. And then the dining area over here, which is currently our boxes with the desk, my office desk and my dining room table is residing temporarily. But again, there's no place dry to really keep it. So, and then of course the kitchen island and kitchen area. We've got the stove and fridge moved in and set up, and all that's good to go. And microwave, of course, machine, all that. And pantry. We got our shelves mounted and bolted in. They're all secured in there nice and good. I know we were talking about having like a library ladder and all that kind of stuff, and that's a great idea, and I may still do that further on down the road.
But just to get in the house.
Right now, we're just worried about getting our certificate of occupancy and and getting in the house at the moment, so
Oh,
you'll,
we can shut the door.
anyone with a sharp eye will notice that there are some things undone, and that's okay, because they're just purely cosmetic stuff. Well, here, actually, looks cool with the light on shining through it. Little pantry door there.
Yep.
And then, we got the master bedroom, you know, the little nickel floor here. Nice and roomy. And we'll go into our master closet. And of course, we got our little closet arrangement here. And we'll eventually have another one of these on the other side, so it's going to be kind of like a his and hers thing. But again, this will get us in for our certificate of occupancy at the moment. And of course, everything pocket doors. So. But then, kind of the part that I'm most proud of is the master bath. We got our 48-inch vanity, and we went ahead and took the top off that came with it and put this one on there because it's got the marbly coloring that matches the tile in the bathroom here in the shower. This is my favorite bit.
Me too. We can't walk on it right now, so.
Yeah, I've
Let's
still
do it
got
this way.
some wet grout in here, but the one thing I've always hated in a bathtub, you know, is it's like 32 inches deep, and you bang your arms up against the wall and everything when you're trying to take a shower. And the shower head for us tall guys, you know, the shower head's like right here, you know, and it comes down like that, so that's useless. So this way, with the 10-foot ceilings, I can hang my shower heads at 8 foot and no more problem. And of course, we have the control here so that you can, you know, turn your water on without getting the cold water on you first. So you can crank it on, let it warm up, and then walk on in there.
And we got our drain coming, or
Yeah, I'm still waiting on the cover for the linear drain.
stainless steel.
Yeah, well, it's supposed to be here between the 3rd and the 6th, I think. But anyway, then of course we got the front and back porches. They're we're in our stockade feet, so we're not going to go outside there, but you can see our each porch is 12 foot deep by 60 foot long. This pretty much follows the front and back sides of the house. And it's nice because you can sit out there if it's raining and not get soaking wet. So. And of course, Tammy's favorite solid mahogany speakeasy door.
A door that I picked out 5 years ago.
What's the password? Yeah, that's it. How long have we been sitting on that door?
Well, I first saw it 5 years ago, before we ever started building.
Yeah, but then we bought it, and it's like, we had it for what, 2
Probably
years?
2 years before we put it
Before we
in.
actually got to put it in. It was, you know, the thing of it is it took us, as soon as we broke ground on the house, you know, up until then, apparently, we'd been in a drought, and no sooner we broke ground than it has literally rained, you know, in any 7-day period practically, it's probably rained 2 to 4 days of it. And it has been that way pretty much continuously for the past 4 years. There's been a few exceptions. We went once or twice, I think. We went
About 3 weeks without anything in the summer.
And, but that was it.
It's like Seattle, and it's,
Oh my God, I have not ever been anywhere where I have seen so bloody much rain. It's crazy. But And of course, our interior lighting, we got the kind of, what would you call that? It's not really a chandelier, is it?
Yeah, well, it is, but
Yeah.
it goes
So
over the
anyway,
dining room table, and
that'll be over the dining room table. And
these
of
poor
course-
guys have got to get cleaned. They've
Yeah, the
got
dust
a
from
lot of
all the
dust,
work, yeah.
pendant lights.
Pendant lights, and of course everything else is can lights. And all the bulbs except for those in that light
And this room.
are LEDs. No, those are incandescents, but these are LEDs.
Oh, I thought
Those are the only incandescent lights in the whole house. And that's because they came with the Edison bulbs already. But we don't hardly ever use that light. But then these guys here, I think one of those LED bulbs is a little wonky. You can detect a little bit of flicker, but anyway. So, anyhow, that is it. And of course, I'm going to be biting my nails, for tomorrow for this inspection. Hope this inspector isn't too hard on me, but we'll see. So, stay tuned, and hopefully the next video you see will be me sitting here holding my certificate of occupancy if we're lucky. So then, once that happens, then we'll move everything over here because, technically when they come for the final inspection, there can't be any furniture in the house. But it's weird because the appliances have to be there. It's weird, but anyway. But then we'll get all our stuff moved over, and then we'll get the trailer pulled out. So, anyhow, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Click the subscribe button if you're interested in all the kind of neat stuff we do here on MacGyver's Workshop. And I promise all my viewers, my regular diehard subscribers, which I'm eternally grateful to y'all, by the way, that we will be getting back to some car repair videos. We've got, I got 2 of them sitting out there right now. I got a Super Duty that needs a steering gear box and some front end work, and my daughter's car that needs some going over, and my vehicles, say the cobbler's shoes are the worst, they're seriously lacking in maintenance. So anyway, again, click the subscribe button, stay tuned, click the little bell thing if you want to be notified when I put a video up, and we'll talk at you next time. Thanks for watching.